Hey there, Gavin Gear here from UltimateReloader.com. In this video, I'm going to show you two products. That's right, we're going to take a look at the Hornady G2 1500 digital electronic scale and the Hornady Lock and Load quick trickle dual action manual powder measure. And the reason I wanted to bring these two together for one video is that they're really designed to work together. And this scale being optimized for a trickler, this powder measure being both a bulk powder measure and a fine-tuned trickle action powder measure, I thought these would naturally make a good story. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to unbox both of these together, and then I'm going to set them up, optimize them, and we'll take a look at how this dual action trickling action works with this G2 1500 scale. So let's get straight to it. I'm going to open the scale first. It looks like we've got batteries here. It's nice. So we've got a familiar looking pan. We've got a calibration weight, which actually looks a little bit like a 9mm shell casing. Okay, batteries and the scale. Now this scale is battery powered, so it means that we don't have to have anything plugged into the wall. It's gonna liberate our hands. So I'm gonna unwrap those batteries and then we will turn that baby on. So let's take a look at the quick trickle. Here we go. We've got a very heavy, very substantial cast iron base, and this has the lock and load bushing system, which I love. And then we've got the instructions, we've got some stickers, and then inside we've got the actual unit itself. Very, very cool. So this is a 3-to-1 deal here. We've got the bulk dispensing mode, turning the knob with the larger gear, and then we've got the fine tuning mode where we turn the small knob, which is 1-to-1 with the actual dispensing tube. A familiar looking hopper, looks like cast aluminum construction, comes with the lock and load bushing that we're going to use with this cast iron base. Very cool. Okay, so I'm going to install some batteries, I'm going to read some instructions, and we'll take a look at using these products together. All right, so I got rid of my packaging, I read the instructions, and I've got the scale ready to calibrate. Let's see how that works. So calibration is really straightforward. We just take the pan, put it on the plate, then we hold down the unit's cal button. It's going to go through a sequence. It starts out sort of zeroing out on the empty pan. Then it should bring up a 10.000. Okay, so we've got that. Now we put the 10-gram weight in the pan, and it's going to go ahead and calibrate to the 10-gram weight now. And we got a pass. So that means that we're ready to go. Okay, now we're ready for business. I've got some 6.5 Creedmoor cases here. I've got a standard Hornady lock and load bench powder measure with the rifle drum in it. I've got the fast load base, which is really cool because you can actually take the powder measure out using the bushing system here. And then we've also got the lock and load quick trickle. And the quick trickle, of course, also has that same feature where we can really quickly remove the powder measure to empty it. So here's the strategy. What we're going to do is do our bulk dispensing with the lock and load powder measure, and then we're going to do a 2-speed quick trickle. We're going to trickle up to close to our target weight, and then we're going to trickle to the final charge weight. Now we can bulk dispense with the quick trickle as well using the high-speed 3-to-1 knob, but it's going to go a little bit faster if we get most of that powder in the pan instantly. So let's see how this is going to work. So we start by taking the pan, placing it under the lock and load bench powder measure. We've got the bulk of our charge here, and that's going to bring us up a few grains below our target weight. Now let's trickle up to weight. So here we are at 35.7. We're going to use the high-speed knob to bring things up clockwise. We're rotating this, and then when we get close, say within a few tenths, we're going to go the other direction with the fine-tuning knob here. Bring it right up to 40, and we got to be pretty patient right there at the end. Okay, so here we are at 40. We've stabilized. Now we can take this pan, charge our case. And then we can grab another charge, bulk charge from the Hornady Lock and Load bench powder measure. See where that brought us, 35.4. And again, we're just going to repeat this process so that we can get right up to our target weight of 40 grains. Okay, so 39.5. Rotate the other direction with the fine tuning knob. Okay, see where we stabilize at, 40 again. Okay, so we're dead on. So there you go. We've shown a triad of equipment. We've got the Hornady Lock and Load powder measure mounted to the bench with the fast load stand. I love this because we've got the lock and load bushing. We've also got the lock and load bushing system here on the Hornady Lock and Load Quick Trickle. And we've got the G2 1500 scale. We saw that was easy to set up. It's very compact, it's affordable. This is a great setup for measuring your powder loads if you want the satisfaction of doing things by hand and doing them manually, but you want a really quick and efficient workflow. So I hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, I've got a complete write-up down there in the video description, first link down there where there's more information about this setup. Now, also, I want to make sure that you're not missing any of the action here on GavinTube. Metalworking, gunsmithing, shooting, reloading, we've got it all here. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications. Until next time, happy shooting and happy reloading.